Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a collection on TikTok or how to create a collection in favorites on TikTok. As you can see right here, I'm currently on TikTok. Now to create a favorites, you'll simply tap on the share icon, which is right below the comment section. And you're going to scroll across from the bottom list of options. You're going to pull them across to the left until you see add to favorites. You're going to tap on add to favorites, then tap on manage. After you have selected manage, you can tap on create new collection, or you could tap on a collection that you have created in the past. As you can see right here, I had one created, but for this example, let me create a new one. I'll name it Hi, then tap on save. So now I will simply tap on any video that I would like to add to that collection. I would simply tap on the arrow, the share icon, scroll across, tap on add to favorites, then select manage, then select the collection that I would like to add it to, as you can see right there. Now to find the collections, you'll simply tap on profile in the bottom right hand corner. Then from the list of options right beside where you would see your liked videos, you're going to tap on the fourth option right here. Then you'll select collections, and here you can see all of the collections. And also if you would like to create a new collection, you can create it in this section. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.